We count 3, 2, 1, go. Poor Fingerly Maria was walking through market one day. She stopped for the rest by the roadside, where a bird with a broken wing lay.
A few moments passed till she saw it, for its feathers were covered with sand. And soon clean and wrapped it was traveling in the warmth of Maria's small hand. She happily gave her last peso on a cage made of fishes and twine. She fed it loose corn from the market and watched it grow stronger with time. Now the gift-giving service was coming, and the church hung with tinsel and light, and all of the town full of presents to lay by the manger that night. There were diamonds, incense, and perfumes, and packages fit for a king. But for one ragged bird in his small cage, Maria had nothing to bring. She waited till just before midnight, so no one would see her go in. And crying she knelt by the manger, for a gift was unworthy of him. Then a voice spoke to her through the darkness, Maria, what brings you to me? If the bird in the cage is your offering, open the door, let me see. So she trembled, she did as he asked her, and out of the cage the bird flew, soaring up into the rafters on a wing that had here good as new. And just then the midnight bells rang out, and the little bird started to sing a song that no words could recapture, for its beauty